Hello guys, this is NEM news for second week of September. Let's start. So, the company tech bureau that runs COMSA ICO just got funding of $15 million from Javco company. This is $25 million total, as they already got $10 million from the same venture capital company. By the way, it's the biggest venture capital group in Japan. Javco is. Also, Japanese investor Kotaro Chiba is investing in Tech Bureau. COMSA ICO gathered already $3 million in their pre-ICO. They are aiming to open offices in different continents and establish the ICO system for the funds they got. As we can see, Bankera ICO will end much faster than it was planned. Bankera team is running pretty successful exchange called Qchain. Last week they transferred their weekly earnings to Bankera token holders. So owning some Bankera tokens, you can start earning on it by getting commissions from 20% of earnings of Qchain exchange. So it is commission from 20% of earnings of Qchain exchange. And those commissions are weekly, less than 300,000 tokens left. We have a new ICO on NEM platform. This startup is called Graft, and they are aiming into creating a payment processor. More about Graft you can find on their website and social media. I will add also their Telegram channel in the description. And I would like to talk about one more ICO that is going to start on NEM token soon, which is called a Qchain. And the idea behind it is to create a decentralized marketing platform, something like Google AdSense, but with usage of cryptocurrencies. I will put the links in the description as well. ICO section is getting longer every week. I think it is good news for NEM platform, and it means that NEM is friendly to ICOs and startups. Next, another section of the news, partially regarding NEM. So let's talk for a while about IOTA hack. We all know that Bitcoin is currently one of the safest networks, heavily tested and used. But it has a lot of downfalls, and there are new cryptocurrencies emerging every week trying to propose some new solutions. IOTA, as well as NEM, was built from scratch, and that even created their own hash function. Hash functions are essentially the heart of the cryptocurrency. If they are broke, nothing works. So the team of researchers found a hole in this algorithm, and it could burn down the whole platform if it was released before IOTA team patched it. That's why I love NEM. This is cryptocurrency built with test-driven development process. In this process, we are developing tests first, and then developers are writing a code to meet all expectations. And that's why my faith in NEM is much higher than in other cryptocurrencies. Another news, partially regarding NEM, is that Ripple was sued by the group R3. Ripple is one of the biggest currencies, and R3 is a blockchain company. They made a deal that R3 will have opportunity to buy XRP, which is Ripple token for fixed price of 0.85 cents. But when XRP price went up, Ripple broke the deal. Okay, but why am I talking about it? Many people are saying that NEM is centralized, but the initial ZEM token distribution have been made between people registered in Bitcoin Talk forum. And all unclaimed stakes were gathered and transferred for NEM Foundation, and it distributes those unclaimed stakes now. Ripple is centralized blockchain, and all XRPs are being created by Ripple organization, and this organization has a complete freedom of distributing them, in contrary to NEM, where users can vote on polls with propositions. Next section of the news will be dedicated to NEM meetups and conferences. I especially like this section as we need to inform people about NEM, otherwise NEM will never be adopted worldwide. I will start from NEM meetup in Thailand, where Lon Wong, president of NEM Foundation, and Steven Chia went to give a speech. And speech was mostly about strong points of NEM platform. NEM officials met with the Malaysia Digital Economy Corporation, the lead agency in driving the digital economy in Malaysia, and talked about NEM platform and about emerging blockchain center. The best news for the end, Jeff McDonald's, vice president of NEM Foundation, and Rene, CEO of Logstack, were giving a speech on TEDx in Malaysia. The topic was moonshot thinking, and you can totally agree that all blockchain applications are applying to this topic, NEM especially. That's all for today. If you like this video, please gently push the like button and subscribe if you didn't. I am going to make 3 videos per week for next 4 weeks, so please write me a comment on what you would like to see here. I am thinking about doing some ICOs overview, so I could talk about COMSA, Qchain, Graft, Bankera, Coin. I could talk more about features of Nano Wallet. I can talk a little about Catapult. So please put your suggestions in the comment section. And I really appreciate all feedbacks that you are giving me. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.